is Akash. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I just started my engineering when my health got all messed up due to this fistula, and I had a lot of pain in the starting. I didn't know what the whole situation of my health situation was, but then after some research, I found out about healing hands, and after I contacted them, they responded immediately and got me to an appointment. From then on, they managed all the appointments, all the scheduling of my surgeries. Ashwin sir, when first I met Ashwin sir, he gave me a clear idea of what I was going to go through in the next coming months, and how the surgery is going to be and how the recovery is going to be. And Dina ma'am, who took care of all the appointments and scheduling. It was a rough period, but with the help of all the doctors, it was fine, and now I am clear of the whole trouble. Yeah, that's it.